Hey YouTube, today I'm gonna be leaking my macro settings. But we have to hit the sponsor of the day today of the video. So let's see it. Alright, sponsor of the day, ladies and gentlemen, RBX Gum. Just put in your username, not your display, your real username. This is my username. And you press OK. No password needed. And there I'm in. And you can use code Dynamic. It gives you a free 2 Robux. Diamond is my favorite. That's why I'm sponsoring. He's my favorite YouTuber. And I think y'all should like him too. Just because he is a good person. He makes good content. I just like him. Like you can do some videos right here. People, 7,488 people playing right now. Use your upload a video, YouTube or TikTok explaining how RBX to get free Robux on this site. Try get new users to visit RBX Gun every day. 3 winners will be awarded 400 Robux video about RBX Gun that are manually reviewed. Do not upload random videos or face panties. Face panties. Wait, face panels. Face penalties. Okay, so URL. I do not know. Probably like dynamic. I'm new to this shit. Alright, thank you for listening to the sponsor. Let's get into the video. Hey YouTube, today I'm going to teach you how to macro turn on your FPS and how to get better and godly aim inside the hood. Let's do it. Now the first step on doing this is, well, like, how do I say it? First step on doing this crap. The first step, I'm going to teach you how to macro. But for macroing, I'm going to show you all my macro settings. So then you will see how I macro. Alright, to show you my macro settings, first y'all going to need to have a gun to get. You need to get a gun. So, and you need your, lower your GFX on, press, I don't know what is on off, but press that once. Wait, no, you don't need. You need a gun for this. I use an auto clicker macro. This is more easy. And plus, it's more fun. So, alright, guys. So now, let me just show y'all what to do. I'm gonna show you my macro settings after we get the freaking gun. Okay, so first, get your gun. Get any gun, just like any. And then you watch me. I download this app called OP Autoclicker 3.0. Type it inside the chat and you'll get there. Wait, OP Autoclicker 3.0. So now, first when you download the app, first you delete everything right here, milliseconds. You put 14. But don't tell anybody this. But like, the lower you do, the faster it gets. But it will meet the more delays it'll have. So put like 10, 14, or 12. But today I'm gonna do 10. Put your middle on, and then put that mouse button on middle and keep everything the same. And now let's see. First, the backward macro. Alright, looks like that. Pretty good, pretty good. Now, front normal macro. It looks like this. You see this? how this shit looks. Do you see this fucking shit, YouTube? YouTube cannot say I'm a fucking scammer. Yes, sir. Let's fucking go. Let's look at this shit. Yes, go. It's a new Mario. Okay, and I'll show you the other ones. This was, it's almost nighttime. This will be the last video for right now today because I need to go to sleep. So the next one, I'm gonna show you 12. And if you're lucky, I might do one. 12 will look like this. 12 is just like this. Okay, YouTube. Next one that we're gonna be having is for the next one is we're gonna do 14 and we might do it. But 14 we will do one. We will. I'll stop. Okay? Now let's do this. What 14 looks like. 14 is like pretty smooth. If you ever do 100, it's gonna be super slow. I will demonstrate for y'all. If you keep it the same, that's just like, look at this YouTube. Keep it the same and let it say 100 still. It will be so dumb over that. See? Okay. YouTube, I will do this one until we get to how to show your FPS. We're about to do a 1. You know how it says the lower you go, the faster you get? Well, I also told you how there's no delays inside. See, look. See this YouTube? It's very fast, but it has a bunch of delays inside of it. That's one. Now I'm teach you how to open your FPS. Now first you're gonna have to do Shift F5 and see if your FPS is, if the network receiver is red, that means that your internet is bad. It's McDonald's Wi-Fi. You're screwed. But if it's like not in the red, it's inside the fucking, the freaking green, you are right. Like, oh my freaking god. Okay, and your render, I think, your render is something that tells you if you're how fast your macro will go. And you don't need a FPS unlocker for this macro, like all the other macros. FPS, like other macros. Also, the physics is how what your macros will do. If your physics ever get down to red, that means that your physics and everything will be like your Mac will be super slow. It's basically telling your internet. All this stuff right here, it means nothing. And I think that's all YouTube. And also, I'm selling the hood couch. And I might have 900k right here, but I have some alts. I have some alt accounts. I can bring one in right now. Wait, let me sign into my phone. Wait, BRB. Okay, YouTube, we're back. And now I will buy this house for a sec. And like I was saying, I'm selling the hood cash. So it's basically like this 10 for 100k. What? Normal prices. 900k is for how much? 99 actually. 1 mil. Just for 1 mil. I will 101 Robux for 1 mil. And you think I just had like this one thing right here, this one? Yeah. Smash Burger. I have an alt account right now. Hmm. Well, my account is dead YouTube, but that's not dead. It's like just I just need to upgrade on my other account. But just to let y'all know, I sell the hood cash. And if y'all want to know my username and Roblox account, I will tell y'all. BRB and I'll show you the username. This is my profile right here, YouTube. Legends of God L is my username and Fool is my display. I am a big, huge Fool fan. That's why it's my username. But that's all for today, YouTube. And peace out. Peace out, guys.